Hello everyone, this is Chris. Just got this on eBay. This is a Marx, I guess, Canadian Pacific engine. I just thought I'd show you unboxing this. Not the whole process, but just the wrap there. I have another one of these that I haven't really worked on, but it's missing these markers on top. And I see on eBay there's someone sells them for like $12 for, I think, a pair. But I thought, well, I'll just look for another engine instead of spending all that on two markers. I got this for around $21 or $22, but plus shipping, so I think it was a little over 30, 32 or something like that. But this engine is in much better condition than my other one. The other one, this is all bent up, the cow catcher. There's no lens on my other one. A lot more paint missing. And this one, it turns freely. Looks like there's not too much wear on it. It has the drawbar. Fairly clean. There's a light bulb in there. The brushes are there. Wheels look pretty good. So I can see if it'll run here. I'll hook up test leads to it and see what it does. I didn't get this really ready. I guess it doesn't matter. Put this on here, this on here. Let's see. Turn the power on, off. Went forward only. There's reverse. The reverse unit's kind of sticking. I don't know if it's because I'm holding it on a little sideways. But it's gonna be a runner. Looks pretty good. Seems smooth, and motor is in there solid. Push rods are there. Screws look good. So I'll show you the tender. It's not the correct tender. This is just one came with it. New York Central. This one has the sliding couplers, which I'm pretty sure is for wind-up engine. But it'll serve a purpose, I guess, on this if you want to use it. These are really common tenders. So that's all I have right now. We'll work on it and clean it up, and I'll show you again later, sometime another video of it running on the track. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.